Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to apply this flex direction property to this Twitter replica. So it wants us to add the flex direction property of a value of row to the header and footer. So when we have a flex, the nested elements will be aligned as a row. And this is the default. As we can see here, this is a row. For example, header is display of flex, and this header contains all these different elements, and it is displayed in one row. This is kind of redundant. It's already defaults to row, flex direction row, but it helps with the exercise, I guess, to how to do this. So flex direction, and we want to say row, and we do that for the header. So it displays in a row, and then footer as well. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.